In this video, I am going to teach you how you can buy Bitcoin with your dollars or euros or whatever that you have deposited on Coinbase. So at this point of time, we have already transferred some money to Coinbase, and you will see it here on the starting page, your dashboard, if you scroll down to your portfolio. So as you can see on this account, we have right now 800 euro, roughly $1,000, and it means 100% euro, so all our portfolio is currently in euros. And now I will show you how you can buy Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever coin you want to buy at Coinbase that is offered here. So you click here on buy and sell. It's actually very easy, guys. Now you can choose here which of the cryptocurrencies you want to buy, whether it's Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum or Litecoin. So I would say in this case, let us stay with Bitcoin. So this is already chosen here. Payment method, we choose to pay with the money in our wallet. And now, very easy, guys, we just have here to type in euro or in US dollar, probably in your case, how much money we want to transfer in Bitcoin. So for training purposes, I just click here 10 euro. And that means for 10 euro we would get 0.0010731 Bitcoin. And if you want to buy Bitcoin, very easy, guys, just do this, just click here on buy Bitcoin instantly. So here you have some information about the trade. So as you can see, the price per Bitcoin at the moment is 8,386 euro. In your case, that would stand maybe 10,500 something US dollars. And this is that you know at which price you are buying the Bitcoin. You can see there is also a Coinbase fee, of course, because it's a very low transaction, 10 euro. Here is the minimum fee of Coinbase coming of 1 euro, so in this case 10% of the trade. Don't worry, guys, if you are sending 100 euro or more, it will be probably not more than 1 euro, and so you don't really have to pay a high transaction fee. And that's basically it. Just click on buy Bitcoin instantly, and if you do that, then you will have the Bitcoin on your account.